Hey, everyone! Today we are looking at Kamin Bird Hostel in Bangkok, Thailand. Before you hit that book button, make sure to check the link or scan the QR code in the description for the safest way to secure your stay. This is a boutique-style hostel with only 4 well-appointed rooms. It offers a much more personalized and quiet experience compared to large, crowded hostels. You are within walking distance of Big C Extra and Just Go, making it easy to grab snacks or supplies. It is also very close to the Bangkok International Dental Center. While it's a peaceful retreat, you aren't too far from the action. Ratchada Weekend Market is about 3.9 kilometers away, and Siam Paragon is around 4.9 kilometers away. Guests have rated room comfort and quality quite highly at 8.4 out of 10. The rooms feature a contemporary design intended to feel cozy and inviting. With a value score of 8.2, this 2-star property is a great choice for budget-conscious travelers who don't want to sacrifice cleanliness or comfort. If you're traveling with furry friends, good news. Pets are allowed. Just keep in mind that additional charges will apply for bringing them along. Be aware that there is no elevator available at this property. You will need to manage your luggage via stairs. Check-in begins at 1 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in, while checkout is at 11 a.m. Note that children are not permitted to stay free of charge. Expect additional accommodation fees if you are traveling with kids. Free Wi-Fi is available in all rooms and public areas. There is also a lush garden on site if you need a quiet place to unwind from the city bustle. Kamin Bird Hostel is a fantastic, quiet gem if you want an intimate stay in Bangkok. Use the link in the description or scan the QR code to book your room safely and easily.